Hello, everyone. Today, let's talk about a critical part of self care: how to avoid toxic people. It's not always easy, but protecting your mental and emotional well being is essential. So, here are 10 practical steps to steer clear of toxic people and live a more peaceful life. Step 1: identify the red flags. Notice behaviors like manipulation, constant negativity, gossip, or lack of empathy. Once you identify toxic traits, it's easier to spot them early on. Trust your intuition. If someone's presence makes you feel anxious, drained, or uncomfortable, trust that feeling. Your gut is your inner compass. Listen to it. Set clear boundaries. Communicate what is and isn't acceptable. If they push past your limits, that's a sign they don't respect you and you need to take action.
Limit contact gradually. You don't need to cut ties abruptly unless necessary. Slowly reduce the time you spend with them to ease the transition. Say no without guilt. Toxic people often manipulate you into saying yes when you don't want to. Practice saying no confidently. Remember, your time and energy are precious. Surround yourself with positive influences. Spend more time with people who uplift you. Positive relationships create a healthy environment and make it easier to move away from toxicity. Don't engage in drama. Toxic people thrive on arguments and conflicts. When you refuse to engage, you take away their power. Focus on your personal growth. Invest time in your hobbies, learning, and well-being. When you're focused on growth, you're less likely to tolerate toxic behavior. Seek professional help if needed. If a toxic relationship has taken a toll on your mental health, there's no shame in seeking therapy or counseling. Professionals can provide tools and strategies to help. Practice self-compassion. Cutting ties with toxic people can be hard. It's okay to feel sad or confused. Be kind to yourself. Healing takes time. Remember, protecting yourself from toxic people is not selfish. It's self-care. Life is too short to waste energy on negativity. Surround yourself with people who bring out the best in you. Thank you for watching, and take care.